And welcome back to day 12 of our 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. Today, we're diving into a timeless and powerful practice that has transformed millions of lives: meditation for clarity. Whether you're seeking answers to life's biggest questions or simply need focus and peace, this video will guide you through actionable steps to harness meditation's potential. By the end of this session, you'll understand how meditation clears the path for manifestation and empowers you to design the future you desire. Why have you ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure about the next step in your journey? Clarity is the foundation of manifestation. Without it, we send mixed signals to the universe. Meditation is like a GPS for your soul. It helps quiet the mental chatter, align your focus, and tune in to the frequency of your desires. As Rhonda Byrne shares in The Secret, your ability to create depends on how clearly you can see your desire. Meditation helps you see clearly. Did you know that meditation is a part of the daily routines of some of the most successful people in the world? Take Lionel Messi, for instance. The legendary footballer credits mindfulness and focus practices for his incredible ability to perform under pressure. Or think about Elon Musk, whose meditation practice helps him balance his whirlwind life of running multiple companies. Both use this ancient technique to tap into clarity and achieve their goals. When you meditate, your brainwaves shift from beta, busy, to alpha and theta, calm and creative. This is the sweet spot where manifestation happens. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of a quiet mind for visualization, and Esther and Jerry Hicks in Ask and It Is Given highlight meditation as a tool to reset your vibration to match your desires. Simply put, meditation aligns your thoughts and feelings, making it easier for the universe to deliver what you ask for. Let's break it down into easy steps you can start today. 1. Find your space. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. 2. Set an intention. Begin with a clear goal, like, I want clarity about my career. 3. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. 4. Visualize. Picture your desired outcome vividly. Imagine it as if it's already here. 5. Stay present. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Start with 5 minutes and gradually increase to 20. Consistency is the key. Here's what happens when you make meditation a part of your manifestation routine. Enhanced focus. You'll know exactly what you want. Reduced stress. No more overthinking or worrying about the how. Increased intuition. Answers and ideas will come to you effortlessly. Higher vibration. You'll align with the frequency of abundance and joy. Remember, even 5 minutes of meditation a day can create life-changing results. Congratulations on completing day 12. Tomorrow, we'll tackle a game changer: identifying your limiting beliefs. These hidden barriers could be holding you back from the life you deserve. Don't miss it. Now, it's your turn. Try meditating for clarity today and let us know how it feels. What did you visualize? What insights did you gain? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next step in our journey. And if you're new here, check out our video, 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. To get started, see you tomorrow.